Morning, I'm going to perform a window installation. Record some of it so you can watch. I don't know if you can see that, but I made my first 2 cuts. Make my final cut right now. There it is. Now I'm going to tack it back and install a window. Okay, window's open. The rough opening. There's my glass. Now install it. And I got a really good idea how to flash this window. I'll show you. Okay, I'm getting ready to install the window. I'm going to put a bead of sealant around the edge, then hoist it up here and put it in and plumb it. Alright, I can't do this one-handed. I'll be back. Okay, the window's up there. Now I just need to plumb it and then flash it. Okay. The window is plumb, so we're good. Time to move on. Now I'll show you how to, once I get this screwed in, I'll show you how I'm going to flash it. Okay, the window's flashed. See, because I bought the best home wrap, the most expensive. So there's no reason you have to go buy that special freaking tape to flash around your windows that they charge, your builder charges you $1 million for. Just have them use their wrap. And I'll finish taping up these sides right here, the bottom, and that. It's done. Money saved. Another window up. Life is good. Okay, I got some more windows installed. And as you can see, they're all on the same plane. That's the way you frame a tiny house. So I still got, I think, 7 more windows to do. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and keep moving forward.